Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the phone model and Android version so you know which settings apply. Once done, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times in About Phone. Make sure to backup settings and user data to Google Drive or local storage before you proceed. This protects you if something goes wrong. You should also charge the device above 50% and connect to Wi-Fi to avoid interruptions, because firmware checks and downloads can require a stable connection. You now access the menus that control restrictions. Go to Settings, then Security or Apps to locate restricted controls and any device policy managers. Once there, enable USB debugging and OEM unlock in developer options if the removal requires deeper access. Do this only when necessary. Next, adjust app permissions and system restrictions one at a time so you can test impact. Disabling a policy app or revoking admin rights may require confirmation dialogues and device PIN entry. Keep notes of changes for reversal. You finish by rebooting the device and verifying that the restricted settings are cleared. Open affected apps and test functionality. If a restriction persists, remove device administrator access. Settings security device admin apps, then deactivate and uninstall the managing app or profile. Make sure to check for enterprise MDM profiles under accounts or work profile settings. If anything breaks, restore from your backup and repeat steps more cautiously. And if still blocked, contact the policy owner or seek OEM support for signed firmware issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.